Well, we are at day 17 and our little seedlings are getting their permanent leaves, and I'm still suffering from my earlier miscalculation. I'm having to deal with a little leggedness, but they're starting to stand up and they're getting better and better. And I think these are going to work out fine. If they're too leggy, I can always repot them and they'll be just fine. These are the Oregon Spring, very quick growing bush type. And these are the Matt's Wild Cherries. They're a little smaller if you notice. They're standing up really nice on their own. They have their permanent leaves coming out. And these are indeterminate. So they'll be really good planted in the ground and allowed to go up a trellis. The eggplant are coming along. You can see they're slower growing plant, but once they get going, they'll be really nice. These are peppers. And then there's this bottom tray with the new material that I use for planting dirt. I'm getting a few, especially over in that far one, but not near what I should have gotten. Okay, that's where we are. We're coming along. Day 17. All right, bye-bye.